Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to plan and track your fitness goals in Notion, the definitive guide for 2025. Let's get started by opening up Notion. First, we're going to create a new page titled Fitness Goals 2025. This step is necessary because it helps us separate our fitness goals from other tasks, making it easier to focus on them. Next up, let's create a table to track our progress. Click on the Add a Block button and choose the Table option. Why are we doing this? Because tables are great for organizing data and giving us a clear overview of our progress. Now that we've done that, it's time to set up our columns. We'll need columns for goal, start date, end date, progress, and notes. The reason we do this is to have a complete picture of each goal, from what it is when we plan to start and finish it, to how much progress we've made, and any important notes we might have. Moving on, let's populate our table with our fitness goals. For example, run a 5K by June, increase bench press by 20 pounds in 3 months, and so on. This helps us because it turns our vague ambitions into concrete, achievable targets. Let me explain why this matters. Tracking your goals in this way allows you to see your progress at a glance and stay motivated. Finally, we want to make a habit of updating our progress regularly, say, every week. This is essential because consistent tracking encourages us to stay committed to our goals and shows us where we might need to adjust our plans. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to plan and track your fitness goals in Notion. This method is all about keeping you organized and focused on achieving your fitness goals for 2025. Until next time, keep chasing those gains.